Good day, guys. This is Chima, your car guy. So today we are working on a Nissan Rogue. So Rogue, Roughe. So this Nissan Rogue has a problem. A very expensive problem. The transmission has issue. That is the gearbox. The gearbox is not changing. So let me show you what I mean. I have to clear away and put on my one-way light. So look, the car is on idle now. So normally when you're firing a vehicle, before this RPM gets to 3, the gearbox needs to change. Why this one will keep moving until 120 and all this. So if it doesn't happen, then you know the gear is not changing. So let us test. So you see it's at the speedometer is at 20, the RPM is already at 2, it's at 3 right now. Okay, so you see 40 km/h the speedometer. Meanwhile the RPM is at 2. Okay, you see it's heading to 4. So I have to slow down because if I keep forcing it, I will completely destroy the engine and that will become a double problem for me. So I also have to do it to show you how it works. The gear is not changing, that is it. When the engine is shouting loud and you see that the speedometer is not moving, it hasn't even gotten up to 80, it's still at 40 and 60, so you know for sure that the gear is not changing. So we are going to put our scan tool to see what fault code is going to give to us. But anyway, even if I don't scan it, we've already ordered for another transmission, so we'll be replacing the gearbox 100%. So, but I have a good news for you guys. The good news is that right now we are at 49 subscribers, and when we get to 50 subscribers, I'll be doing 50 push-ups for my subscribers. That is my own way of appreciating you guys for supporting me and encouraging me. I really appreciate. Normally my capacity of push-ups is normally 20, but I'll do 50 for my subscribers because that day I'll be going live. I'll be on YouTube live. I think that's one of the criteria that before you can be able to go live on YouTube, you need to have about 50 subscribers. So which we are very, very close to just one more subscriber. So if eventually maybe we get more than 2 subscribers, making it 51, I'll be doing 51 push-ups. So guys, it's going to be an exercise for me. I hope you guys will love it. I'll be going live. The push-ups will be done live, and it's going to be the day we are going to be working as well. Probably this gearbox, maybe we're doing both of them together. So my wonderful people will just stay in touch with me, keep following, keep sharing my video, keep liking them, keep commenting, and you know, keep up the encouragement. I intend to do more videos to show you guys what cars and how to go about them. Make no mistake about it, there are some challenges that we do face as mechanics, but of course we overcome. Stay tight.